I chose to study microbiology and infection at the University of Birmingham because they were very responsive. I managed to get my offer in 2 weeks, so they gave me a chance as an international student to prepare my journey ahead in time. Also, the presence of the Institute of Microbiology and Infection, that is the largest grouping of microbiologists across the UK, is an opportunity for us to learn from the best and outstanding researchers in the field of microbiology that have outstanding research in the field of microbiology, infection, drugs, antimicrobial resistance. There is a lot we learn, different aspects of microbiology, molecular biology, the omics and microbes, host microbe infection. So at the end of the day, there is a lot of knowledge you're gathering from the different modules. The course gives you options, different career options. You can decide to go ahead and pursue a PhD. You can decide to join academia. You can decide to go into research. Some people decide to go into NHS or hospital setting. So there is a variety of career options for you. I appreciate the teaching quite a lot because it comes in different forms. We could have seminars, we have project work, we have lectures, physical classes. It gives you a bit of hands-on, both theoretical and practical, because we managed to be in the lab. In the whole course, as we studied, I got my own niche as an individual. I found antimicrobial resistance as my niche, so I hope to further my interest and further research in this area.